So hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So in this video I want to talk about a very nice command which I have been using for very long time, and it's a very interesting command because its name describes what it does. um, so today I want to talk you about a command named tldr. So what does this command do is that first let us know what is the meaning of tldr if you don't know. So tldr is a short form of a sentence named too long didn't read, and it is very much used in context of technology, as many times we have to read very long manuals and we are just get like bored, and then we just leave it, and that's it. So what does this command do is that many times just want to know about some kind of command to just perform a simple task, but when we open the man page, so it's a very huge thing, and we are like completely lost in that manual, and we end up with nothing. We wanted to just perform single task, but we spent something like an hour for reading just a single manual, because just for making the exact thing from that command you have to just read the manual to the end to get to know the each and everything of that command. It is maintained by a community. So what does they do is that they make simple definitions and example of that command, so that we can perform very simple tasks very easily, so that we can save our time. Instead of reading man pages, we can do any other thing. So how to do this? So you need to first install tldr. So in arch you can do just sudo pacman -s and then tldr. Well, I won't do it. I already have this command. So let's take some example, if I want to know about gpg command, so I will write gpg tldr and then gpg and here it is. So it gives me some basic functions of what are the general work of gpg command. So if I want to generate key, or something other thing like encrypting or decrypting like things, so I can just know how to do it simply by this command, so that I don't need to know each and everything of this command by man pages. And any other example, I would take ssh. So here it is, a small summary of uh, some very frequently used ssh commands, and something like my password manager that I use very much, so which is pass. So here it is. So it gave me the basic uses of pass. If you guys do things like studying or working in cybersecurity field or in programming, so you might know much more than this thing. But there are certain kind of people who just install arch through arch installer script and then post their screenshot in arch unix spawn, and then they say that I use arch by the way. So those people don't know it, and maybe helpful for those people. And even for many times, I don't like to remember everything and every command for what does it do and how to do it every time. So it's helpful for me because many times I'm just gone, and I just need some kind of command once in a month, and the next time I want to use it, I won't like to read the whole manual, or many times I don't even save the command, so that I can just paste it from a normal plain text file and then use it. So in that case, this tldr command helps very much. By the way, I am not using a tldr on its own. there is a Rust variant of TLDR which I don't remember what is the name of it. So just let's search it. So yeah, here it is. So its name is tldr. So you can install that thing too. So it will also work like TLDR. Just remember that those two packages are conflict with each other. So just be careful. So let's try some other commands like tldr cd or something like tldr mv or tldr shutdown. So you can play with it as much as you like. So that's it for this video. I wanted to just make a quick video about this command. This very cool command that I feel like every Linux user should know about it, as we people are mostly living 90% of the time in terminal, and that's a really good tool in my eyes. If you have any opinions, so let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and bye.